Hello world, hello CS50. My name is Marcos and I come to present my final project. I've created a Flask application that basically generates a graph of a family based on the people in it and the relationships that the user adds. I hope you guys like it. It's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of hard work, but I'm really proud of what I've created. And I hope to build more and more things as I go throughout the CS50 process. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy it.
So the video will show how the application works, and I'll focus through the audio on explaining what was the intention behind the application. I've decided to call it Family Forest, and the reason is very simple. My family is extremely big and very complex, kind of the combination of three different families and maybe more. And because of that, I never felt like the family trees that we're so used to building really worked for my family. I needed something more complex. So I thought that a forest, a family forest, would really suit my family. So it's the ability to add different trees to one specific family, and these trees be interconnected via different types of relationships. So there are different types of relationships, but to keep the whole theme, I've decided that each person is considered a leaf, and their relationship is considered a branch. The branches can be of different sorts. We can have a blossoming branch for a spouse relationship, girlfriend, wife, anything of the sort. There are also these green branches, kind of like vines, that represent friend type relationships. Also, thick, dark, kind of like old trees branches that represent the parent child relationship. There are the broken branches that represent ex spouses, because the idea is to really express a family's history, not only its current state. So these relationships are important as well. There are the sibling relationships as well that are not added by the user but automatically generated based on whose parents uh, a specific person has, and that are basically lighter brown branches to represent also part of this tree. This short clip has a duck family that I've created that's rather simple, and it's just to represent how it works. But I'll show you guys now an example with my family just to ultimately show how complex it can get. Well, I've added plenty of people in my family, not all of them, still far from it, but I think it's enough to show how complex a family can be and how important these connections are to a family. It's important to nourish them, it's important to keep them, and it's important to know them. Of course, you could grow your forest as big as you want, but I believe this is enough to show the power of the application.